maximize your luck. Maraming bagay na magaganda na mangyayari sa'yo, huwag tatamad-tamad. Kapag ang rat ay nasa year, maraming tao na hindi mo kilala o makikilala mo pa lang na makakatulong sa'yo. Maraming opportunities hindi from the same people that you know, nasa ibang tao yan. If the rat is in the month, ibig sabihin, your business will actually do well. Kahit anong problema ng negosyo mo o ng career mo, meron magliligtas lagi sa'yo. If you also have the rat in the month, please negate from getting mad, cursing, kasi ito naman ang magpapabagsak sa'yo. There could also be new opportunities or new promotions. If you're in the business, baka magkaroon ka ng panibagong negosyo. Now, if it's on the day, maximize your luck. Maraming bagay na magaganda na mangyayari sa'yo, huwag tatamad-tamad. Pero kailangan ng rat, dahil may wealth opportunity ka dyan, dapat maging madiskarte. Kasi marami sa ganyan pagswerte, pagod lang pero wala yung pera. Patol kasi kayo ng patol sa opportunity without really thinking. So in the end, napagod kayo pero hindi nyo talaga pinagkakitaan. So be mindful. And if you have it in the hour, you could have new asset. Posible rin na magkaroon ng bagong baby. A rat actually in the field of arts will be more lucky. Yan.